Okay, guys, we're gonna leave in. Bye, bye. We're on our way to St. Louis to our new house. We got all our stuff in our moving truck, and we are heading out to St. Louis to our new home. And we might stop and get some pizza or stop on the store on the way there. Sounds good, Dad. Sounds good, Dad. I'm so excited to get my new room and get my stuff set up in my new house. Yep, we'll be there tomorrow. Boy, this couldn't work out. Hey, something just bumped my car. What is that? Ah! It's a skeleton! I'm driving down the road and the skeleton is on the back of my car! What was that? Dad, our old house just went up in the sky. It blew up and it's over there. What? Yeah, our house we just left. It went flying in the air and it's landed over there in that field. Oh my gosh. There's a skeleton on my car. Ah! He's getting ready to get into your truck. What are you talking about?
Waiter.
He's getting ready to take the door off of our moving truck.
Waiter. Waiter. Waiter, I drive.
Okay. Ah! He's taking the box off the truck. He's taking it apart. All our stuff's in there. No! There goes the fish. Our beautiful lizard. Oh no! All of our stuff is on the road. That skeleton, bad skeleton. Our pet lizard just bounced off my car. I can't see. I'm gonna crash. Oh no! What's going on?
The car has been wrecked.
Down the hill. Oh no, are you okay?
The car has been wrecked.
I think so.
Hello, this is 911.
Sir, I've got a skeleton that broke into the back of my moving truck. He's thrown stuff all over the road. He's blown up my house. He's wrecked my wife's car. My children are scared and he's laughing at us. Slow down.
Sir, have you been feeling okay lately? That's about the craziest thing I've ever heard. A skeleton.
Hey, Liam, go blow your nose. Get a tissue. Mom's got a napkin up there, Cheryl.
Oh no! There's a dynamite!
Please wipe his nose.
No, doesn't. I don't want my nose. There's a dynamite.
Oh, they put dynamite in the back of my truck! Oh, get away, skeleton, get away! I've got to get out of here! You bad skeleton! Oh, no, not me! Oh. He just threw me in a lake. He's got my truck.
911.
Sir, you need to send help.
No.
This skeleton he's wrecking everything. He's threw me in the lake. He did what? He's got my furniture and all my stuff all over the highway. And my pet lizard, my poor pet lizard. Look out! He's gonna eat my lizard! No! The cars are crashing. He's causing all kinds of accidents. Oh no! Look out, sir! We've got a major accidents pile, major pile up out here on the interstate. Oh no!
All right, sir. We've got Several units responding right now. They'll be there in just a few minutes. They're on their way, sir. This skeleton is destroying everything. Oh, no. No, not my car. Oh, no. Oh, no. He's blowing up everything. Ah! Get away, get away, get away. Let me out of here, let me out of here. Be nice, please don't hurt. Please don't hurt me. Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh no! It looks like the skeleton is after somebody, or he's got stuck underneath the car. I flipped over. Ah! Ah! There's tourists that are sightseeing, like getting caught up in all this. Oh. Ah! No, 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 no. Ah! Here comes the police. The police are getting closer. I hear the police. They're on their way. They're on their way. Where's the motorcycle police officer? Where is he?
The skeleton is destroyed.
Uh-huh. Okay, I'm here now.
Skeleton.
It was his fault. It was the skeleton. What?
Skeleton, you will undo arrest.
Is this some kind of joke? No, no. All right, well, we better put him in a box. He's in too many pieces. We can't put handcuffs on him. All right, put him in the back of the police. Secure him in the back of the police the station wagon. Police car. Oh, is it over? Is it finally over? Oh, that was horrible. What a nightmare. What a nightmare. Now I'm going to get a cleanup crew, get all my furniture. I am so upset.
Finally, at the clearance sale. Finally, the jail sale. Finally, at a jail. Finally, at a planet of police.
Oh no, what do we got going on here? It's a door. He's in jail. He's in jail. The box of bones is in jail. That skeleton caused so much trouble today. That caused all the trouble. It's a pile of bones. Yeah, he looks innocent. But he blew himself up is what he did. I saw him. After he did all this damage. Well, you stay in there like a good skeleton. And we're going to get this mess out here cleaned up. What'd you say? Did you hear that? Officer, did you hear that?
Well, she is in jail. She died.
Oh, no.
Well, now you stay here.
Okay. I think those bones will be fine just right there. They're not going anywhere. Yeah. Okay, let's go help out.
The end.
The end. Good movie, Leo.